Hello everybody, today we're doing a medicine cabinet removal. This is a very common job in bathrooms when people want to do a simple update. They like to remove these medicine cabinets. As for me, I like them because they have extra storage, but a lot of people want to remove them and they just do the basic hanging picture mirrors instead of these medicine cabinets. But this one's easy process, most common job we do for bathrooms. You just got to remove the old medicine cabinet. With this, we got lucky because it has wood on the sides of it. If you don't have wood on the side of it, you're going to have to cut back center of the stud. If there's no center of the studs, then you're going to have to add 2x4s or 2x3s. That way you could have something to screw the new sheetrock on. The simple process here, I'm not going to bore you with the details. It's more like a watch and learn video. Patching up a medicine cabinet, get it all taped, coated 2 times, and then we're going to follow through with a spray knockdown texture. A basic patch repair medicine cabinet bathroom remodel. But yeah, we have other videos like this. I have several others on patching up medicine cabinets. So this is just an updated video of a job I just recently did. If you haven't done it already, please subscribe to the channel. You can also leave me a comment, and I appreciate a like. Send me some likes. It helps my videos get found in the YouTube channels. When people are searching for drywall repairs, they can easily find my channel. Just by you leaving a comment and a like, the YouTube algorithm will find my channel. So hey, go ahead and watch this detailed video here. We also have hundreds of other videos on the channel, so if you haven't done it already, go ahead and jump in the other videos and watch how to do drywall. This is the perfect channel for the do-it-yourself type person, so go ahead and watch and learn. Thank you.
16 and a half by 24. 16 and a half by 24. All right, let's do a second coat, tight skim to fill in all the imperfections. Alright, while that second coat dries, I'm going to finish masking the side because it's a spray texture. I'm going to mask the wall here, mask the door so we don't get no overspray. We want the spray knockdown just to go in the patch area only, not hit everything else. light knockdown. I'm using a 6-inch straight knife. Let it dry for 24 hours. Next step with a spray knockdown is to lightly sand it with 150 to 200 grit sandpaper. Then primer. Always use a PVA drywall sealer primer or a Kills 2 latex primer. But this joint compound with the spray knockdown has to dry overnight before you're able to sand it and primer it. But yeah, easy patch job. Medicine cabinet in a bathroom. Easy update for an outdated bathroom.